So it's Sunday morning, guys, and today this is my vlog again. Today I'm gonna eat Ginabot. So it's Sunday morning. I'm gonna look for a good place to eat Ginabot, guys. So check this out. So, nakakita tagdinat na kanang Pungko-Pungko na ay di Ginabot na ron dito sa CDU. So, guys, magluto, init, so presko. One of the best na panahon na makaon ng Ginabot. Domingos buntag. Buntag yan, kiinit pa.
Init pa.
Oh,
pagkakatanan. Fresh na fresh. Ginabot by time.
One of the best places to eat Ginabot because yeah, they cook it themselves and yes, you'll see it even if you're lucky.
Tungol, unod, rinon.
So in this place you have also quad. They have utok, which is like it's like the fat.
Utok.
Oh yeah.
Utok. Utok.
So it's in brain. Then there's the fat, and there's rinon. It's like the kidneys.
Pancreas.
You have pancreas as well.
Gorilla.
And gorilla is like the liver, right?
Tungol.
It's awful all the way, guys. So check it out.
So, how are you guys?
See, vinegar, white onions, then just Ginabot. Wow. They call this signal number 4. So spicy. It's like a vinegar with a lot of chilies. So wow. So I just had an awesome breakfast of Ginabot, guys. So if you like to eat Ginabot early in the morning, check this out. This is just Street Cafe, just near the old Captain Ace. And one of the best places to eat Ginabot in Cebu, guys. So what I like about this place is that the Ginabot is cooked really in front of you. It's fresh, it's hot, especially in the morning. A lot of people eat there actually, so they cook it themselves. They have this sauce called Yolanda, signal number 4. It's so spicy, guys. Wow. And also another one is that yeah, it's complete. They have Ginabot, they have longaniza, they have the lumpia, toge, and they have the different parts of the different opal parts like the brain, tungol, tambok, rinon, gorilla. Yeah, it's like the pancreas, the kidneys. So wow, it's there. So, and definitely I'm gonna endorse this. It's one of the best places to eat Pungko-Pungko in Cebu. So I just had Ginabot for breakfast. Let me know what's your breakfast, guys. And thank you for watching this daily vlog. And see you tomorrow.